If you forgot pattern lock on your Samsung Galaxy, don't worry, you've come to the right place, as this video is going to show you how to unlock Samsung phone forgot pattern without losing data. This also means that you can unlock your Samsung pattern lock without factory reset. Okay. The first unlock method for forgotten Samsung pattern without losing data is to use the unlock master code with emergency call. However, this may not work on any newer Samsung Galaxy phones due to the updated security protocols. You can still have a try to see if this works for unlocking your Samsung phone when the pattern is forgotten. There's no loss. To unlock Samsung phone with emergency call, you need to first remove your SIM card to make sure there's no mobile data network and Wi-Fi connection. Then restart your Galaxy device. When the phone reboots to the lock screen, go to emergency call section and dial the Samsung pattern unlock master code. We'll put the Samsung phone unlock code on this video's screen. Make sure to press the dial button after each attempt. Once you've finishing entering the Samsung phone unlock code, tap the back arrow and then wait for 5 minutes. After that, put your pattern locked Samsung phone into safe mode. Press the power button, then tap and hold down the power off button, and choose safe mode when appears. Now, your Samsung phone restarts and enters safe mode to unlock the pattern lock you forgot. The phone screen will display safe mode at the bottom left corner. Alright, on the login screen, draw a pattern 5 times until you see the try again screen. You have to remember the pattern you entered. Then force restart Galaxy phone. When it starts up to the lock screen, draw the pattern you just used, and your Samsung phone forgot pattern will be unlocked without losing any data. But if you're like me still locked out and can't get in the device, okay, let's come to method 2. Unlock forgotten pattern on Samsung phone without losing data by resetting with previous screen lock. However, this only available within 72 hours of the new pattern being set, and on smartphones running One UI 6.1, like Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy 25 series and more. Alright, to use this Samsung unlock feature when you can't remember your pattern lock, first, on the lock screen, enter the pattern incorrectly 5 times, after which you'll see the forgot pattern, forgot PIN, or forgot password option, as well as a message saying too many incorrect unlock attempts. Try again in 30 seconds. To unlock the Samsung phone forgot pattern even without a computer, tap on forgot pattern link. You will then be taken to the reset with previous screen lock screen. Proceed to enter your old unlock method correctly, and tap OK button. Now, you can reset your pattern that you forgot. Choose a new unlock method like pattern, PIN, or password. Enter the code you know you won't forget, then tap continue. On the next screen, re-enter the new code, and tap OK button. That's it, you should be able to open your locked Samsung phone without factory reset. All of your data, your pictures, your videos, your contacts, your apps, everything is still there, safe and sound. Okay, another story. What if the earlier 2 methods didn't work for you? A factory reset is the only remaining option to unlock your Samsung Galaxy phone when you're locked out without knowing the pattern. I know, no one wants to hear that, because doing a full reset will completely wipe your phone and data. Don't fear, there is a silver lining if you've been smart about backups. Okay, first, unlock forgotten Samsung phone pattern using Appgeeker Android Unlocker software. With it, you can quickly unlock your Samsung Galaxy without pattern, PIN, or password by factory resetting the device and remove the lock screen. While this requires a factory reset for Samsung Unlock, the tool is an excellent alternative if the non-reset options aren't helpful for you. If you have a backup made before the lockout, there's no data loss during unlocking process when forgetting pattern to Samsung phone. Okay, click the download link in the description section below the video to get the software onto your computer. Then, launch it. On its main interface, click on Remove Screen Lock Mode to unlock your phone if you forget the lock pattern. Next, look for and choose Samsung. This is applicable for all Samsung Galaxy devices no matter which model you're using. After that, use a USB cable to connect your locked Samsung phone to your computer. The software should detect it immediately. If not, you need to click on the link the device is connected but cannot be recognized, and follow the instructions to put it into recovery mode. When you're ready, click Remove Now button. The software will begin resetting Samsung phone without the pattern. This will delete all of your data and settings permanently, including the lock screen pattern you forgot to unlock Samsung Galaxy. When the unlocking process complete, Removed Successfully message will appear on the software screen. Your locked Samsung phone should restart without needing the pattern to get in. Now, you can set up the phone from the scratch, including the steps to choose your language, connect to Wi-Fi network, log into your Samsung account that was registered to your device, choose a backup file to restore your data so you don't have to suffer from data loss when unlocking Samsung Forgotten Pattern, and create a new unlock method. Once done, access your mobile and enjoy. Another possible solution is unlocking Samsung Galaxy if you have lost or forgotten the pattern by remotely resetting it using SmartThings Find service. It's formerly called Find My Mobile, and offers a direct unlock option to get the Samsung phone unlocked without losing phone data by verifying your Samsung account. However, the feature has been ditched for years, and to get back into a locked Samsung when forgotten a security pattern, a factory reset is required. Okay, if your Samsung account is registered on your device, Find My Mobile feature has already been enabled, and your device is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular network, you can reset Samsung phone without pattern. First, we open a web browser, search for Samsung SmartThings Find, and access it. Then, click Sign In button. Next, input the login credentials of your Samsung account that is linked to your locked phone, like email address and password. Then click on the Sign In button once more. When you're logged in, you will see a map showing your device's location and a menu of commands on the top right of the page. Here, in order to unlock Samsung phone pattern, click on Erase Data option. If you've turned on two-step verification, you need to complete that by getting a unique verification code. Since your Samsung phone locks you out due to forgotten pattern, you may need to click Don't Get the Verification Code link and select Verify with Text Message option. Enter the verification code you received, and then click the Erase Data option again. After that, re-enter your Samsung account password, and click OK button to authenticate it's you. When Erase Phone Data prompt pops up, read the warning that unlocking forgotten pattern will reset your phone to factory settings and wipe off all data. To confirm, click Erase to initiate the remote reset, letting your Samsung phone unlock the pattern lock that you do not remember. Just wait for a minute or two. Once phone data erased alter appears, okay, your Samsung phone is unlocked, and you're able to get into it without entering pattern, password or PIN. Pick up your device and go through the setup process for full access. You can restore your previous backup if you have one to get your data back, and create a new screen lock pattern, PIN, or password for your Samsung. So, that's all for how to unlock a Samsung phone forgot pattern without losing data. Always have a backup plan to regularly save your most important files. Hope you guys can get back in Galaxy device freely. If this video saved your day, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments if any of method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.